Hello, everybody. Today's topic is it's not written here, but it's the common chemical compounds with their formulas. You must have noticed all these are very common, but we left to memorize, or they are like small glitchy kind of things that we made glitches. So here we go with the first, that is the I see, it's the baking powder or baking soda with the formula NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. The second one is the bleaching powder. The bleaching powder, that is the most common one. We all must be using it in our houses, but the formula for bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Remember that it is CaOCl2. Chloroform, that is used to faint somebody. So its formula is CHCl3. CHCl3 trichloromethane, right? The second is, it's the fourth one. Brine, yeah, or rock salt or common salt. Its formula is NaCl. Common salt, you must all of you must be knowing it is NaCl. And rock salt is also, I think, everybody must be knowing. And brine, mm, very few people must be knowing about brine, that is the common salt, NaCl. Alcohol is the ethyl alcohol. Its formula is, ethyl alcohol formula is C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Yeah. The next is the alum, that is potassium aluminium sulfate. KAlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. 12H2O, we need to remember that. And potassium aluminium sulfate, I don't think there is a like, you have to memorize it, but it is simple. That is the potassium aluminium sulfate, KAlSO4 whole twice, and 10H2. 10H2, you need to memorize it, right? The next one is the borax. Borax is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. From deca, what you get to know about it? Deca is 10, though 10H2O it's given. Sodium tetraborate, right? So Na2B4O7 dot 10H2O. Tetraborate, borate is B4O7, and Na2 Na2B4O7 dot 10H2O, right? Laughing gas, that's the most like common one. uh, its formula is N2O. It is nitrous oxide. It's not nitric, not nitrous. It's it is obviously nitrous. So nitrate, it is not nitrate or nitric. It is nitrous. It is among us, so we can memorize laughing gas as nitrous oxide. It is N2O. Moving on to the next is the spirit, is methyl alcohol CH3OH. Ethyl alcohol is you have uh, the it's above you, that is the ethyl alcohol. You can see that alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is the alcohol, right? And methyl alcohol is spirit. Slag lime is the calcium hydroxide, right? Calcium hydroxide. Its formula is CaOH whole twice. CaOH whole twice. Slag lime. And quick lime is calcium oxide. CaO. Quick lime. That's quick. Lime is CaO. And slag lime is calcium hydroxide. Washing soda. Washing soda is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Um, it is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium, you must be knowing carbonate, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Washing soda is that simple. Sodium carbonate, sodium carbonate, and it is the decahydrate. The gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrogen, calcium sulfate dihydrogen, calcium sulfate dihydrogen. ठीक है. It is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. The next one is the calcite, chalk, marble, limestone, pearl. These all are the same, like chalk, calcite, marble, limestone, and pearl. It is calcium carbonate. They all are mean and they all have the chemical formula calcium carbonate. The plaster of Paris is the same as of just gypsum, but the difference is calcium sulfate. Oh, it's wrong right there. Um, it should be wait. Um, sorry. It should be SO4, right? Here you can see it should be 4, right? It is calcium sulfate. It is calcium sulfate half H2O. It is half H2O, and in gypsum you can see it is dihydrate, right? Gypsum is calcium sulfate and 2H2O, right? Calcium sulfate and 2H2O, right? And in plaster POP you see calcium sulfate dot half H2O, right? Then dolomite is the common what we call that is the ore of calcium and magnesium. It's simple to remember that it dolomite do is for two, so it is the two ore of calcium and it is it is the both ore of magnesium and calcium, so it is magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Moving on to the next is the caustic soda and caustic potash. They both have OH. Potash means, oh sorry, caustic is for OH hydroxide, and soda and potash. Soda is for sodium, and potash is for KOH, right? The next is the lunar caustic. Oh, here we go with the lunar caustic. That caustic only goes for uh, OH. OH means sodium, soda, and potash, not for lunar caustic. Lunar caustic has different meaning. That is for silver nitrate. That is going for AgNO3.